Hi everybody. We're going to be trying this new scenery that I just recently downloaded here for X-Plane. It is Papa Alpha Whiskey Delta Seward field in Alaska. And it looks really nice, so let's give it a shot. So let's climb in this helicopter and start this puppy. I am not a helicopter pilot by any means. I am a fixed-wing pilot. So anything that I have learned to fly a helicopter has been totally through X-Plane. It seems to be the best helicopter simulator that I've run across. I've been flying simulators for quite a long time, since the early days of flight sim in the early IBM computers. And by far, X-Plane is the best helicopter simulator. And I've been looking for a decent scenery just to record videos and stuff with, and I found this one here, the Seward field in Alaska. So let's check this out, and we'll give a little flying tour from our Robinson R44 to take a look at this. Look at that train going by. It's got some cars missing, looks like. That was interesting. Got to bring these rotors up to speed, and like I say, I am no licensed helicopter pilot by any means, so if you see me doing something wrong, please let me know in the comments, because I don't want to maybe kill myself in the future, because I do plan on getting my helicopter certificate. So I see this clutch light is on. I'm assuming the clutch is either hot or not fully engaged. I don't know. I've never read a manual on Robinson helicopters. So yes, we are all safe there. That ratchet gear, whatever, is working. So let's set there we go. I've got the governor set. Alright, let's get this thing off the ground here and have a look at this scenery. I don't have the best computer, so this may be a little glitchy or not as good as maybe some other reviews or anything that you have seen, but it seems to work. Even though the scenery is really full, there's a lot of stuff here. Since we don't have any major cities nearby, it seems to run fairly well, even on my subpar computer. But that's what's nice. We have all this detail in this scenery, and the scenery comes with the terrain and the ortho textures here. So yeah, there's a few glitches, but that's from my computer. And I have this, like the shadows, I have a lot of the detail maxed out, so just to get a good idea what the scenery looks like. So it may or may not run better on your computer. So let's take a little cruise around the town here. I don't know what the name of the town is, but it's not very big, so it shouldn't have much of an impact on your particular machine. Like I say, I'm seeing some glitches in that, which isn't normal, but I think the biggest thing is I turned the shadows all the way up, just to give us some idea of dimension here, which I think is what's really causing the biggest impact here with the little hesitations, which I normally don't get. But yeah, if I turn these shadows way down, this will smooth it out quite a bit. Look over at the marina there, and there's a bunch of sailboats with their sails up sitting in the marina. So here's the town, and yeah, what I'm seeing here looks really good. A lot of this, well, I don't know how much was done by the scenery designer and how much of this was done from the World to X-Plane. I've got that installed as well, so there's a lot of buildings here which really fleshes out the whole town. now we can get a good look at the town and an overall view of the scenery. And I really, really enjoy this scenery. It's nice because it's not a huge airport. It's not a huge impact on the system, and yet we get the joy of look at this really full town, this really full area around this airport, the Seward Field, Seward Airport in Alaska. If we look right down in there, we see like a lot of, I don't know if it's construction or mining, but he had put in a lot of the equipment, a lot of the heavy equipment for the mining construction. Like here's a little, I don't even know what this would be, like a gravel bar or something, and yeah, this is really running glitchy. And glitchier than normal. It could be because I'm running the recording software at the same time. Very well could be. So let's turn around this spot here. See if we can get a good look at this gravel bar. So you can see he's added a whole lot of equipment there, which is really, really neat. I really enjoy that. Start to descend here and see if I can hit that spot, that helipad spot. Let's come in around this wind turbine and we'll double back and we'll try to get a landing on the helipad there. Some more construction equipment. That looks really cool. I wish this was running smoother for you. And I really do think, well, I know it's because of the shadows and because of the recording software, but normally this runs much, much smoother. And this is the first time I've tried recording with this particular scenery. So I'm going to swing it around these buildings that are there on the ground there and make an approach to the helipad. I don't know what that sign says there. Let's have a look. Skyline. Oh, cigarettes. Yeah, when I think of cigarettes, I think of Alaska. All right, let's concentrate on what we're doing here. See if we can get this in there. So like I say, I am no helicopter pilot by any means, and it has taken me a while just to get to this point flying, and I was really excited when I could finally fly a helicopter. But I love flying helicopters just because it's completely different than airplanes. Helicopters, you've got to be on your game all the time. The helicopter doesn't fly itself. It wants to destroy itself, and it's up to us to keep that from happening. Alright, let's sneak in here. Come on. We got it? There we go. There we go. So I hope you enjoyed this. I know I enjoyed flying this scenery. So until next time, guys, I will catch you later.